So this family wants to know how much money they should expect to have after 30 days after taxes. So take out the taxes. So we got $550 a week, $600 a week. So we can just combine those total because they're wondering total between the two of them how much they're asked, um, how much they're going to have after taxes. So they got a combined weekly total of $1,150 for every 7 days, we could say. And so I'm going to multiply that by 30 days. That way the days units cross cancel. Got days in the bottom, days in the top, they cancel. And that will give us how much money they've earned within this 30-day period, roughly a month, depending on the month. So you can do 1150 divide 7 and then times 30 in your calculator. So it gives you $4,928.57. And I think we rounded down. Yep. And so they're asked how much money are they going to have after taxes. So this is how much money they earned before taxes. And it says taxes are 9%. That means you're keeping 91% of your income. If you take out 9%, that's the same thing as calculating 91%, right? Because 9% subtracted from 100 is 91%. Okay, so we got that gross amount times the 0.91. So this rounds up to 4,485. $4,485 is how much this family should expect to have after taxes. Okay, so the family, I think this means the family in the above problem, they want their rent to be 30% of their before tax income, their groceries to be 15% of their before tax income. So before tax income means this dollar amount that we got in the first step. And the car expense to be 20% of their before tax income. So how much money should they plan on having for each of these? So if we made $4,928.57 per month, and 30% of it's supposed to be rent, you can multiply by 0.3. So you want $1,478.57 to be the maximum amount of your rent in that case. Okay. And then what was the next one? 15% to be groceries. So same thing, take your before tax income times 0.15. Sorry, I missed the comma there. It's in the wrong spots. That one rounds up. And then we've got 4,928.57 times car expense to be 20% of their income. So these problems are supposed to be using roughly real world percentage numbers. It depends on everyone's situation, but this is for groceries. And then for our cars, plural maybe. So they want to budget about $1,500 for their mortgage or their rent, $739, so roughly $740 a week for groceries, and, food in general, and about $986 for their car. So they can use that if they need to go car shopping. Keep a healthy percentage in mind. Okay, so the family above has a monthly credit card debt of $200. What percent of their before tax monthly income goes to their credit card? So to calculate a percentage, you always take the number you're interested in calculating a percentage of. In this case, the number is the percent that goes to their credit card. So $200 is our credit card amount. That's the number we're interested in. So to calculate percentage, you take the number you're interested in, divide it by the base, which means it's like a starting amount or the total amount. In this case, $4,928.57 is our base. $4,928.57 is our base. And then you multiply by 100 to convert it to a percent. So we got 200 divided by 4,928.57 times 100. So that's about 4.06. 4.06% roughly. So roughly 4% of their income is going to their credit card.